Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your Steam year in review. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Steam Replay. This feature is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your gaming activity throughout the year. Once you click on Steam Replay, a new page will load showcasing your personalized gaming statistics. This is where things get interesting. You'll be able to see a variety of stats that paint a complete picture of your gaming year. For instance, you'll find your total playtime, which shows exactly how many hours you've spent gaming on Steam. You'll also see your most played games, giving you insight into which titles captured most of your attention. Additionally, the page displays all the achievements you've earned throughout the year, as well as your gaming habits and trends. These trends might reveal patterns like which times of day you play most often, or which genres you've been gravitating toward. Now, if you want to explore your gaming history from previous years, Steam makes that easy too. Simply scroll down on the Steam Replay page until you find a section labeled Check out your other replay pages. This section allows you to access your stats from past years so you can compare how your gaming habits have evolved over time. Once you locate this section, you'll see a list of available years. Go ahead and select the year you want to review from the list. The page will then load that year's specific stats, showing you everything from your playtime to your favorite games from that period. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Steam year in review and can now explore all your gaming statistics from any available year. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.